5 effective home remedies to get rid of the body odor. No doubt is the healthy to sweat and natural as well. But how to deal with the smell that doesn't look and irritates but also bothers others around us sometimes? If you suffer from the problem of the body odor, you can surely relate to the situation. Here are a few body odor home remedies that will reduce the sweating and kill the bad odor that comes out of your body, often in summers. Number 1 is witch hazel. Witch hazel can lower the skin pH and make it impossible for odor-causing bacteria to survive. Plus, its astringent properties contract the skin pores and help to reduce the production of sweat. Soak a cotton ball in the witch hazel, dab it under your arms. Do this whenever your body smells. It will work like antiperspirant. Number 2 is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial as well as antiseptic properties to kill the bacteria present on the skin and eliminates the body odor. Also being an astringent, tea tree oil controls the sweating. Add 2 drops of the tea tree oil to the 1 ounce of the water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use as deodorant. Number 3 is turnips. Turnips has antibacterial properties that will help to kill the odor-causing bacteria. Plus, they are a good source of the vitamin C and many other nutrients that will help to combat the body odors. Cut 2 to 3 turnips into small pieces and put them in a blender to make a paste. Put the paste into the sieve and press it with a spoon to extract the juice. Apply this juice to your underarm and groin area. Allow it to dry on its own and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy each morning to keep yourself free from the body odor for at least 10 hours. You can also include turnip in your diet. Number 4 is tomatoes. Tomatoes have antiseptic and antibacterial properties that can kill the bacteria that cause body odor. They also help to shrink the pores and reduce the sweating. Gently crush 7 to 8 tomatoes. Press the crushed tomatoes on a sieve to extract the juice. Add this freshly extracted juice to the bucket full of water. Use it to take your bath. Follow this remedy once daily to control the body odor, and you can also drink some 2 glass of the tomato juice daily to reduce the body odor. Number 5 is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass contains a lot of the chlorophyll that will help to deodorizing and body effects. It will also help to eliminate the toxins. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of the wheatgrass juice in 1 cup of the water. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Follow this routine daily until the body odor is gone. Warning: wheatgrass has a very strong taste. It may be nauseating for some time. Along with these remedies, you need to maintain proper hygiene and follow as well balanced diet to get rid of the body odor. Also, to smell fresh, follow these additional tips. Bath at least once a day. Always wash your clothes after wearing them once. Do not wear tight shoes and avoid wearing shoes for a long period of time. Manage your stress and anger as they can cause more sweating. Keep yourself dry as much as possible. Option for the cotton clothing rather than synthetic fabrics to avoid trapping sweat and moisture. Drink a lot of the water to flush the toxins out of your body.